We're here in North Carolina. Alex here with Mighty Max. Do you want to talk about a couple things though?
So it started life as a 91 Mighty Max, Mitsubishi Mighty Max. Same as like a Dodge Ram 50. And it's quite a bit different now, as you can see, or can't see because it's missing so many of the body panels, but it has an S13 front subframe from the 240SX. And then kind of like a wise fat angle kit, so it requires like a super wide stance to make it all work.
Oh my gosh. Full 2 front end.
Got an Evo 8 dash that's incomplete at the moment, but kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like.
Oh, that fits. Did you have to trim that out?
Just the top. The back is like, the width is totally stock.
Yeah, that fits like as if it should have fit there from factory.
Yeah, I had a Evo 8 with no motor in it, and then I had this sitting there blown up with a rod through the factory block. And I was kind of just staring at the two, and I was like, damn, I wonder if that dash would fit. And then I tried it, and I was like, wow. So the lids on these, you can see from these screws, they unbolt.
Oh yeah.
Or unscrew rather, and you can just trim them down. So I laid the glass or the old dash on it to get the curvature of the glass.
Oh right.
Trimmed it back. It took me like 5 hours to slowly trim it, cut it with a jigsaw, and then here we are. So I wrapped it in suede. I did the best job. It's gonna get professionally done.
I mean, it looks good.
Thanks,
sure,
dude.
I didn't even know that. I thought that came like that.
Oh yeah, no, I had to, because when I cut it, I kind of made it look crazy.
Yeah.
And then I cut the defrost vent holes too, because it still has like heat and everything.
Oh yeah. There you go.
And then it sat in the sun for a little bit and sagged over there on the driver's side, so I got to fix that before it gets professionally wrapped.
Oh gosh, we won't do
Very
it.
close.
We won't do a close up on that side. Got the hydro. Is the hydro all plumbed up and stuff?
It's all plumbed. I haven't bled it yet, but
Look at that carbon armrest.
Yeah.
Is that just skinned or is that?
no, that's real carbon. Yeah.
Wow.
Somebody in Malaysia makes that for $90.
Goodness.
It's insane.
It's one of those parts that's like, the heck?
Yeah, there's no way you would make it for anywhere near that.
Full caged, and then this goes through. Is this plexi or?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, so I need the 3D print plugs for that. My plan is to just have like a black, plug that goes in. It's insanely hard, and you can't really trim the glass unless you pull it.
Right.
So maybe making a template next time that's a little more accurate would help.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
And then it's got a bunch of crap back here. It's all aluminum internals here, so it's completely cut out, and then it just has 1/8-inch aluminum sheet everywhere.
Yeah, nice and clean. And then you can like still put stuff. Well, obviously you could still put stuff back here.
Yep. Everything unbolts to service it, but then when it's bolted in, it's like very strong. You can stand in it, jump around.
Oh, you can stand in it. Dang.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
Because the fuel cell has a very high mounting position because I have an AC condenser mounted underneath it.
Oh, what the heck?
It's kind of crazy. So like you just don't have the ground clearance you would want.
You got AC in this thing too?
Yep.
Wow. Oh, so that's under here?
Yeah, you can see it. It's like kind of tough. But...
Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Well, I went to the fans.
Yeah.
Little jack point, and then that exhaust. You're telling me about it.
Yep. So this is all 3.5-inch titanium from the muffler, or from the downpipe back, and it's stainless steel 3.5-inch downpipe, and then TI from there back right underneath the front of the cab.
It's cut out there. You still got the Mighty Max sticker on there?
It's like one of the first things I made with my vinyl cutter.
Nice. We got these Johnnies over here chilling.
A couple of Johnnies sitting there in the corner.
Oh my! I wonder what that's gonna go inside. You know, and just pan over to that. Oh yeah, definitely. Cool. Well, we're gonna get set up and scan stuff and do the usual. So first off is spraying it with a dry shampoo and then covering it with dots, and then we're gonna start scanning. It's gonna be a long night. I have maybe 6 hours, 7 hours to do. Yeah. We're basically gonna scan the fenders, the bumper, rears, the roll pan, and then the wheels too. We'll scan one wheel. What are the specs on this one again?
The fronts are 18 by 9.5 plus 22, and then the tires are 265s. And then the rear is 10.5 plus 12.
Sheesh.
And that back tire, I think, 295, 30.
That's a good fit, man. Right? That's a thick. Oh my goodness.
Thick boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never driven it with like wide tires, so I'm excited to see how it feels. These aren't the nicest tires. I don't want to sell it like they are, but they're good to get it rolling on. So
I mean, they look pretty sticky to me.
Dude, yeah, they're 200 tread wear, so they should grip pretty good until they wear out at least.
Right. Got a little 4-link back here. Are these the They're not QA ones, are they?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
oh, they are. Okay.
They're just like universal QA ones.
Okay.
And they're resprung for the weight of the truck.
Nice.
They're a little polishing on the.
Oh, and then you got your battery right here.
Yeah, it tucks in real low right there.
Wow, so discreet. Wow.
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 Cool. All right. Well, yeah, we'll get going. Hair dry shampoo, and just like all the other ones, we're gonna start spraying it. This one probably don't need to do too much because it's not as reflective. But it's nicely dirtied up. You see how it's like nice and non-reflective. I don't know what is that opaque? Is opaque the right word?
Opaque is like clear, but you can't see through it.
Yeah, kind of. We'll go with that.
Probably things getting washed.
Smells nice in here, huh? Got some orange mango. Yeah. Later on, I'll be like, all right, so what kind of scent do you want in your garage?
The full package. You leave it smelling better than you got it.
It's currently, what time is it? 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 1 a.m.? 1:30 a.m. Been at this thing for quite some time. We did this front corner, the bumper, which the bumper kind of gave us some issues, but it's fine. Worked out. And then the rear quarter, this also gave us lots of issues. For some reason, on the scan, you would scan it, and then it would like full curve. So we're like, what the heck? And my solution was, when we tried like doing like scan it up here, so that way it like forces it, but that for some reason didn't work. And I was scanning color, so we just did it with no color, and I don't know, that works. So we scan also the wheel too, so that way we can see how far the wheel sticks out and how far we need to make the over fenders. We could do it by dimensions, but sometimes it's not as accurate as doing just based on the scan. But right now, a little side quest. What is this motor, Alex?
This is a like Audi Lamborghini 5.2 liter V10.
Very nice.
Thank you.
And what are we doing with this?
So no one's ever done, well, that I'm aware of, a BMW DCT on one of these. So we're scanning this full pattern here so that we can send out the file and have an adapter plate made.
Sick. So we're covered in dots, and then we're scanning it. So I'll kind of show you guys. It's just using the Rebel Point Pop 2, which I've been doing it with everything. And you know, I was trying to be an advocate for it, but it works for, a good amount, but it does give you some pushback if you don't like kind of know what you're doing.
Hence a large quantity.
Yes, there's a lot of dots now. So I'll have Alex record me while I scan this. So we already kind of scanned a lot of it, but there's a little button here. If you want to show them the screen too.
Do a little countdown.
Maintain a good distance, and then okay, so that's what I'm gonna do for the next 10 minutes. Cut.
Yeah.
All right, so it is currently 2 a.m. and we've been at it for about 8 hours. Yeah. Yeah, so this thing's covered in dots and dry shampoo. This one was a pain in the butt, but yeah, we got all the wheels scanned and all that. And then we did a little side quest with the V10. Yeah, this was super fun to do. Definitely tiring, but it's gonna pay off when I'm so tired. But yeah, once the kit's done and it's on the truck, it's gonna be super rewarding. And I'm super excited to see it done. So
yeah,
thanks for having me.
Yeah, thank you for coming. I really appreciate it.
Hell yeah. Okay, well, we're gonna end the video here. I'm gonna fly back to Seattle like in 2 hours. So
he's on a private jet. Oh god.
Okay.
He's on a private jet schedule without a private jet. So
there you go.
Think about TSA and everything, going through TSA twice in like the same 12-hour time frame. It's pretty crazy. But
gosh,
we made it happen, and I'm really thankful for it.
Alrighty, well, I'll see you guys later, and keep watching and subscribe and like, and bye. Okay, bye.